Hi friends, this video shows how to take partial screenshot. Using three fingers, just touch and hold anywhere on the screen. Touch and hold. Then release. Here you can see three shapes. We can select one shape. Then we can select the area. See. So let me select this first shape. Then we can select the area like this. We can also change the shape. See. So we can adjust the screenshot. See, we can zoom in or zoom out. Then select the area that we need. So once you have selected the area that you need, then you can save it. You can just tap on this icon on top right corner and you can save the screenshot. Okay, so this way we can take partial screenshot. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.